Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
Very well, Shruti. And so, how are you doing?
I'm very well. I'm really good. Enjoying my time in quarantine. And how about you?
Same here, pretty much same as. Are you in Mumbai or you are in Chennai?
I'm in Mumbai in my flat that you've been to, that you saw
Right.
last time you interviewed me. So
Right.
I'm here enjoying my flat and my kitty. So it's just me and my cat.
Oh, okay. You have a cat. Oh, great.
Yeah.
I have three cats as well.
Yes, you saw them last time, didn't you?
Yes, of course, of
Yes.
course. So tell me, what is like a regular day in your life these days like?
Well, first of all, I'm waking up like really late with no alarm. I mean, I kind of have an alarm, but the alarm sometimes is like even at midday, which is amazing. Because in shoot, we end up waking up like super early.
Hmm.
So I don't have any 6 and 7 a.m.s, which is really good. So I
Right.
wake up quite late. I make myself a breakfast or I wait directly until lunch. Then I'm pretty much online doing stuff like this in the evening. I'm cooking a lot. I'm practicing my piano. Yeah, just and working out.
So, what do you do in working out?
So I have a treadmill upstairs. I have like a
Mhm.
mini gym. So I have a treadmill there. So I do my cardio, and I do a little bit of weights at home, and a lot of like resistance bands work. And then I also look at like all these amazing videos on Instagram of like at home workouts.
Right. So, what is your opinion about at-home workouts? Some people are liking it. Some people are criticizing it.
See, I've never been one to be like at the gym. I've never liked the gym. I feel like the gym is a very competitive environment where everyone's like, "वो कितना weights कर रहा है?" And it's like a very competitive vibe. So I actually prefer just working out by myself at home.
Let me take a few questions. Let me see what. So someone was asking me that how's your appa? So I believe appa is your
Appa is
father.
Appa. Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
How's your appa?
he's very good. He's in Chennai, and he also seems to be doing really well in this time of quarantine by
Right.
himself. Loves his own company. So yeah,
Okay. And what about your mom? She is in Mumbai.
she's in Mumbai, but none of us have quarantined together. I had
Right.
come back from London, so I've kind of been like separately quarantining or isolating. My sister's isolating separately from dad in Chennai. So mom and I are in Bombay, and dad and Akshara are in Chennai.
All right. So let me take a few more questions. Okay. Someone is saying Lakshmi Ram is saying love you, ma'am. Susan Ryan is saying my dream girl.
My what
How
girl?
do my dream girl? How do you deal with such compliments? My dream girl. When people call you the dream girl and all that.
Is it a good dream or a bad dream?
I'm assuming dream girl will be like a good dream only.
I'm flattered. Thank you.
Mm. Okay, and Devesh is saying hello. Rekha is saying now where are you? Shruti, she's in Mumbai.
I'm in
Okay,
Mumbai.
fear only God. One word about Thalapathy.
One word. Awesome.
Okay, Rekha 2725, cute. Suru 220598, hello madam. Someone is saying hello from Pakistan. So now you have you're a musician as well. You write your own songs. How do you look at this situation that the way Corona has in a way united the whole humanity? People are not talking about religion and caste and gender or
Absolutely.
nationalities or those issues. How do you look at this?
You know something? I was just saying this to somebody yesterday that it's really sad that it's taken something negative and something frightening and negative for us to understand that we are one. That if something like this were to come, वो ये नहीं देखता है कि आप कौन से religion के हो, आप कौन से देश के हो, what is your financial background, what are your political opinions, what are your sexual preferences. Like Corona doesn't give two shits about any of this stuff,
Right.
and it's sad that we've needed something like this to realize that we are one big community. It's really,
Right.
but it's happened. It's like a equalizer.
Right. Bosra wa Ibrahim is saying hello. Hype Beast is saying hello. Okay. And so 177 Coca-Cola is saying beautiful soul.
Thank you.
Ranjini is saying, hi Shruti, you are too beautiful.
Thank
Bobby is
you.
saying hello, and Raghu is saying hey. Okay, and ma'am is very cute.
Someone
That
is
is
saying
Mehul
घर पे
saying,
इतना क्यों पहन के रखा है? Because ना मैं बताती हूँ, ठीक है?
yeah,
It's
right.
I was only in pajamas and like sweatpants for the first 3-4 days, and it felt really nice, bal mein tel and all. But then I was like, so what if we're sitting at home? We should still make an effort. I, as a girl, love making an effort and putting on my makeup and wearing nice clothes. So for Bollywood Hangama, I wore my special earrings that my friend Niranjan got me that I've
Wow.
not worn in forever. So
Thank you so much.
I'm
Thank you very
using
much.
this time to look at all my clothes that I've not worn for a while and use that lipstick and really enjoy myself even in my own company. I
That
realized
is,
I've
you
not
know,
loved makeup to impress other people or clothes to impress other people. In quarantine, I've realized मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. I am impressing myself only.
that's amazing. That's amazing. You know, that's very important because I think that is one way of feeling normal. Personally, what I'm doing is, so I'm doing these interviews online or through
Yes.
video. So what I tend to do is, so you are seeing only my t-shirt right now. I can wear like a nice new t-shirt, but I'm also wearing a jeans. I could have worn like shorts because I'm in my home, but I'm wearing jeans and I'm making sure that I'm also wearing a belt
It's a
because
state of mind. It's
it,
so
it
true.
gives you that that you're at job, you're doing something, and it makes you feel normal in a way because these are extraordinary times and we
Yeah.
must too many compliments actually. Someone is saying you are so sweet, Shruti, and someone is calling you angel.
Thank
If
you. Thank you.
Varia is saying Shruti ma'am love you. Okay, this is JMR91. Which will be your next film project?
I was shooting Labam and we had to cut our schedule short. Like a lot of people have just had to stop shooting and whatever.
Right, right. Yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah, so Labam and Crack, my Telugu film, are currently on floors. We were on talks for other movies, but of course we don't like know anything now till we go back. So I think all of us, be it movies or journalism or banking or finance or I think only doctors like are working right now and people who can do work behind the scenes. But for people like
Yeah.
us who like have to be on set, I mean, a bunch of musicians and I also talking about like how can we do it. I'm not really a producer. Like I don't sit at home with my equipment and make music. So again, for me, I like really can't do anything except write music and write. So I guess we're all waiting to go back. And so these are the two projects I'm currently on, and then I'll know once. Hopefully sooner, touchwood, rather than later, we get back to us.
No, it will be fine. It will be fine. It will be good. Bharat Berry is saying, Shruti, your voice in songs and then there are a lot of hearts and that sort of sentiment. Okay, so, I'm a huge admirer of your voice. I think you're a fantastic
Thank you.
musician. Um, can you please sing a couple of lines for your fans? Any song that comes to your mind, maybe for this situation that we are in or something positive, whatever comes to your mind.
I was just saying to my friend, I said, I'm trying to write new music, but it's not been really positive. It's feeling quite dark and like hopeless because I'm realizing that human beings have been quite irresponsible with our environment. When I see things
Right.
that finally dolphins are at, like, in the water in India, and then we have like
Marine
beautiful.
lines. Marine
Huh?
lines. Marine lines.
Marine lines, exactly. Marine
Yeah.
lines, and then suddenly, it's so sweet. Elephants are getting drunk and lying in tea gardens. Like it's just. I started to realize that we haven't valued what we've been given. So the mood in what I'm writing feels quite heavy. So
It's okay.
I don't have anything right now to share. I'm feeling hopeful, but I'm also
Right.
feeling hopeful, realizing that things aren't like that amazing. But if you want me to sing something, you have to tell me what to sing.
See, I think I really like your private music because I think that's really wonderful. You have a fantastic Western voice, Western vocals that
Thank
you
you.
have. So anything that comes
Thank
to your
you.
mind, whatever you want to share.
Ari, pick an English song that's appropriate for this
Okay,
mood. Yeah,
okay.
fine.
So
Come on.
maybe Imagine. You want to sing Imagine? John Lennon.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's a whole celebrity video of all of them singing it in different keys. It's made me go mad. But anyway,
Right.
okay. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. above us only sky. Then there's another version which I keep getting confused with, which is actually a darker version. So actually, I'll sing the darker version. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. So I really like the minor version because I was singing the happy version and I was like, I actually don't feel so happy. I think we need to think about, imagine, why are we in this situation?
No, that's wonderful. That's really
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Okay, so there's Trippy Singh, and he's saying, "Ma'am, your favorite singer and song." Maybe I think.
One of my favorite singers is Tori Amos.
Mhm.
She's one of my favorite singers. One of my favorite songs, it's very hard to say which song, but I think Waqt Ne Kiya has been like one of my all-time favorite songs.
Oh, that's amazing. You want to sing a
Yeah.
couple of lines? That'd be very interesting to hear you sing Waqt Ne Kiya.
वक्त ने किया क्या है सी सितम तुम रहे न तुम हम रहे न हम वक्त ने किया. There you go.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Thank
Okay,
you.
this is Nosheen Kiran, and she's saying, waiting to design something special for you. So, has it ever happened that any of your fans, or maybe budding fashion designers, and they've come up with a nice dress for you and asked you that, would you want to try that?
No one's really designed a dress for me. No, that's a good question. I get a lot of artwork which I really love, and sometimes I'm like, I would really just love to have that. But then I think it's self-centered for me to like collect artwork of myself. But some of the artwork that people send me is really beautiful. But no one's really designed an outfit for me. I mean, some people have said, "Oh, you're like my muse," but never like a outfit. Like, here you go, wear this. No one's done that.
I hope that someone does it now. Okay, this is Vineet Vasantan. Say one sentence in Tamil, Shruti.
என்னத்த சொல்றது, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? வீட்டுள்ள சேஃபா இருக்கீங்களா?
Okay, that means something nice, I'm sure.
Yeah,
I did
otherwise
not
no one
make
is staying safe.
great. All right, this is Bollywood Time Talkies. Hi, ma'am. You are my crush. So when a fan tells you that you are the crush for him, so what is your response to that?
Thank you. I'm very flattered.
So people are getting ambitious. Shakti is saying that sing one Tamil song, not your own song, any other singer's song. So people are.
The other Tamil singer song. I don't know what Tamil song. I'll sing everybody's favorite. Kannadaga, Kaladaga, Ponnadaga, Pennadaga, எங்கேயும் தேடி செல்லும் விரலழகா, என் கைகள் கோர்த்து கொள்ளும் விதமழகா. Thank you.
All right, this is Soul SS. One word about Vijay.
It was really nice working with him in Puli, and yeah, it was really nice. And it was also fun dancing with him because he's a really good dancer.
Anuradha_FC about Allu Arjun. Wish to act with him again?
Yeah, I'd love to work with Bunny again. He's really amazing to work with because he's very, very, very dedicated and hardworking. And he's super fun as well. He's like that perfect mix of being like serious, studious almost, but then he's also like mad fun on the other side. So it's really nice.
Great. Vam Shri Krishna, we go to movies only to see you, Shruti.
Oh, thank you. But watch other movies also.
I wouldn't know the context of this, but someone is constantly asking about this. Gangster_BGM, where is Bodhi Dharmar?
I know. Oh my God. Okay, so let me explain. Do you know there's this film of mine which I was in, Murugadoss sir directed with Surya sir, called Yera Maribur, Seventh Sense, or in Hindi I think it was dubbed as Chennai versus China. And it's a really interesting concept about a girl who's a scientist who's researching this guy who's the hero, Surya, and she's kind of trying to trigger genetic memory. and he is like the direct bloodline of a real character called Bodhi Dharman, who went from the south to China and became almost like a Buddha there, like a huge figure. And we didn't remember in India. That's a true story about this
Right.
man. So she like kind of triggers his genetic memory, and there's a guy who brings like bio warfare, basically a virus from China, and spreads it in India, and then she triggers his memory, and Bodhi Dharman finds a cure for this virus, which has come from China. So now you can understand why people are saying, bring back Bodhi Dharman.
Oh, okay,
It's been
because
non-stop.
I've heard about this film called Virus, a Malayalam film, but I was not aware of something like this. I was
This
not
was
aware
my
of.
first ever Tamil film called
Oh, okay.
Yera Mariva, or The Seventh Sense by Murugadas sir. And it was, I mean, it's really weird because it's about this virus from Chennai and it's like a respiratory virus. It's like,
My God, too much of
yeah,
coincidence. Shit.
yeah, I know, it's such
All
a
right, I hope that
coincidence.
someone finds a cure, even if it's Bodhidharman. Have
Yes.
you, Ankan, Ilam, have you ever thought of working on stage? That's a very good question.
In theater, yes.
Yeah.
I'd really love to do theater. I did it like when I was very young, but like nothing to really show for and say, oh, I've been a part of the theater community. But I mean, I've seen plays in India and stuff, and it was amazing. But what really changed my mind was when I went to England and I watched the level of production and some of the plays there. Like I was really inspired, and I really would love to be in. I mean, on stage and theater someday. Yes.
Two questions. Lankaja Surya is saying one word about Tarak, and Anand Surya is saying one word about Surya.
I was just like a guest role, and he was really, really amazing. I think what was wonderful about him is like he has. I was seeing him do a fight sequence, and I don't even think he rehearsed it. He just like looked at it once and then went and did it like perfectly, and I was like, what incredible memories. I mean, power of memory. And Surya sir, I did my first Tamil film with him, and then Singham 3 again with him. And so it was nice to like work with him after many years. And as everyone knows, he's talented and hardworking, so it was really nice.
Okay. So I am Chand is asking, please suggest some best movie or series to watch during quarantine. Can you make any
Yeah,
suggestions?
there's so many. I'm currently watching season 3 of Ozark. Has Jason Bateman. Like it's got an amazing cast, and it's been consistently good. And I really love
Which
Ozark.
platform is it? Which platform is it on?
Netflix.
Okay.
And Peaky Blinders, amazing show, and you can like binge watch it. It's like proper good. What else? There's just so many shows I've been watching. Messiah, really, really good. Everyone is mad about Tiger King, but I'm like, no. Oh my god, my friend just messaged me saying you have to watch Tiger King. I watched it and it's just like pagal, but it's nice. Parasite is out on Amazon, so people should
Yes.
watch that.
Yeah.
There's a rubbish show which is so addictive and time pass. It's called Love is Blind. Everyone should watch that.
All right.
Like I usually don't like dating shows and Bachelor and all of that nonsense, but Love is Blind is like super addictive.
Okay, this is Anusha Boutiques. Hi, Shruti, I'm your fan. My name is Anusha. You are so cute.
Thank you. Hi, Clara. Do you want to say hi to everyone on Bollywood?
Yeah, please do that. Hello, how are you? Hello, Clara, how are you? Okay, Hunter _Ubaid. Ma'am, say one word for Aki sir.
Oh, Akshay sir. Okay. I really like working with him on Gabbar is Back. I've just never seen someone so dedicated to early mornings and fitness. I'm sure you're aware. It's insane. Like I've promoted many movies, but it was always 5 a.m. with him, and he was like working out. I don't know, at 3 in the morning. Like it's insane. He's like so dedicated to good health and natural good health, like not steroids and like procedures or like protein, whey protein. Like he's just proper old school good health, which is really inspiring.
Yeah. This is 1145. Raju, why you always wear black?
Why do I always? I love black. It makes me feel really comfortable, and black makes me feel confident and positive. And if you spill anything on it, it doesn't show.
Okay, now people are doing all sorts of requests for songs, but I think you've already sung quite a few. Let's get some more genuine questions. Okay, Shivakumar, are you in Chennai? No, she's in Mumbai.
I'm in Mumbai.
Okay, there's something. Okay, let's see. There's some. Okay.
I do love black.
Someone is asking in Tamil, I believe, so I'm not able to understand that. Okay, so bring Bothi Tharmar back.
Yeah, I know. This has been non-stop. And Faridun, they've made memes. There's like so many memes. And then I was sharing some of them saying, please stop. And then I just stopped because it's just like, yeah.
Okay, wish underscore EHH underscore 311. You know, one of favorite singer in Kollywood. So who's your favorite singer in Kollywood?
You know, I can't just pick one voice like that. It's like really hard. But in new singers, I really, really love Sid Sriram's voice. Newer.
Yeah, I think. Okay, Raja underscore Niresh, can we expect a movie with PSPK?
With Pavan Kalyan? Hopefully. Yeah, touch wood, hopefully.
This is Pavan A. Kukreja. Shruti ma'am, in your next month crack film coming, which is a story based. What is it? Basically, it's like, what is the story based on?
No, so Crack cannot release next month. No film can release next month, you know, because just to explain to everybody, when you make a film, there's something called post-production after we shoot, which is where people sit and they edit it and they do all of that. And then also we don't know if the theaters are going to be open, number one. And number two, before our directors and our teams could like get to the post-production, of course, we've all followed the rules of social distancing, which means people cannot be together in an editing room to edit that film. So no, Crack isn't going to be coming out next month.
Right. So let me take a couple
Unless
of more.
a miracle happens. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Shruts Slade is asking your favorite cartoon. So what is your favorite cartoon?
I love that question. I have so many favorite cartoons. I, as a kid, used to love Casper the Friendly Ghost. And I'm obsessed with Jem and the Holograms, SWAT Cats, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Courage the Cowardly Dog. I have like such a huge list of cartoons.
Okay,
and Metalocalypse.
Right. Okay, so this is the last question that we're taking. Vamshi Krishna for 47 is asking, you make poor Dhanush mental.
That's because of the movie 3.
Right.
And yesterday was the 8-year anniversary of my film 3. But
right.
I can't take credit for making Dhanush mental. That's the script.
Okay, so now you know that song Kolabari D. You were there in the studio,
God,
and I think does that song go with the present situation, Kolabari D? Do you think that?
No,
it does not.
Really. No,
not really. Because what does Kolabari D mean exactly?
Why this murderous rage woman?
I think like that. Okay, I thought that was like things are going crazy or something like that. Okay.
No.
All right. So, but I think that song became huge. I think it became one of the biggest hits maybe of all times.
Yeah, it was crazy how huge that song became. And you know, for the longest time after that movie, anywhere I would go, like a mall or a nightclub or a restaurant, they would start playing the song. Like if I went shopping and you know they have music playing, they'd start playing that song and I'd be like, oh. So I'm so tired of this song.
But still, maybe to end this conversation, I don't know. We have this request.
Bro,
you're not singing it already. Okay.
No.
All right, but can you please end this on any other song that comes to your mind, maybe your original or anything that comes to your mind?
I really don't know. You'll have to pick a song. I'm so blank on what to sing.
You want to sing We Are the World?
No. Don't be cheesy, Faridun.
We are okay.
So long,
I'm just going with it.
Farewell, I need to say goodbye. There you go.
That's a good one. That's a good one. We'll settle for that. We'll settle for that. So thank you very much, Shruti, and it's wonderful to have your positivity.
Always
a lot of people there.
To speak with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Same here, and please stay safe. and keep on engaging yourself, because other people are learning from what you guys are doing right now.
Thank
Because people are finding hard to get into a routine. But I think it's
Yes.
important to do normal things, and the way you are saying that in terms of dressing up and applying the makeup and all those things.
Working
So thank
out,
you very much.
keeping in touch with family, it's so important.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you very much, and
Thank
see you in the movies very soon. Things will be good. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Bye.